Hello, I look similar from last week, but it is obviously the next morning. We are checking out today from Universal, which we are very sad about, but I'm very excited because we're off to Disney. So excited. Yeah, we've got a really nice view, but it's Disney. Which?
The water's on that slide.
Oh, let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Though. No one's riding it yet.
Oh.
It looks really far away on there.
I know.
It's literally across the road.
And then we've got the roller coasters, Harry Potter.
Adventure Tower. I never noticed that
Yeah,
before.
there's Adventure Tower. KFC. Hannah didn't go to this gift shop she wanted to. What a shame. But yeah.
Look, you can find loads of crap in there.
But yeah, we're gonna go to say goodbye to say goodbye to the parks. We were gonna go on Hagrid's, but we don't think it's the timing's gonna be right because it could be huge. But let's go. Our last bus to City Walk. We've checked the bags in. Yeah. Dinner bar. Yeah, it's funny though. Really busy on a Saturday. We're not fans. I know. But we're going to Cinnabon. Bye. Bye. Bye, Steve. Oh. Oh, well, that's... Oh. What? That's a shop. No. Right. That's Travelator. I'm gonna miss this Travelator, it's very nice. Chill on. We have collected the bags and we have ordered our Uber to Coronado. So excited. Oh yeah, we probably will be able to. How nice those cabanas.
Yeah, they've got like a little beach. Can we use the beach?
Probably.
There's no
Yeah.
I want to buy one of those big donuts that I sit on.
excited to be here, Hannah? I am. Oh, purple. Oh. First, what do you call it? Purchase on Disney property from the M&M world. Can't wait to eat them. Oh, we're at a dead end. Whee! Oh, you're not coming, Hannah? Oh, we're here. Excited, Hannah?
Yeah. Buy loads.
Buy loads, 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 loads. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Massive. Oh. You have arrived. Welcome. We emailed the opportunity to share your feedback. Lovely.
This is huge.
Look at this bit of me. Massive. Let's have a lovely nice. Yeah. Oh, nah. Oh. Oh. Well.
I swear not all the bathrooms are like this.
No. We are in the room. It is massive. I'll just give you a quick room tour. So you walk in the door. We've got this hallway. We've got the bathroom in here. I'm gonna kind of open it. We've got a lovely, like, how big do you need a bathroom to be? We've got the 2 sink. Oh, we've got the Hit Disney Resort. Oh, there's a shower cap, vanity kit, and there's mouthwash, Hannah.
Is there?
Yeah. Cooling aloe gel, body lotion, a facial soap, 2 sinks, the biggest mirror I've ever seen. A lovely massive shower with, it's basically a walk-in shower. Look at this. The H2O stuff as well. We'll leave the bathroom. Close everything.
This is awesome.
The massive room. Got a wardrobe, a lovely mirror, coffee machine. What's it? A fridge. Oh, that's a lovely chair thing. Oh, let's get the.
We need to get our suitcases.
Oh, what's this?
That's our hotel.
That's lovely. A nice chair, another chair.
Jump on it.
How comfortable is the bed, Hannah?
Yeah, but I have a jump on it.
Oh. And this is the view. Got a nice beach down there. The cabanas. The lovely lakes. Let's have a look. There's no crocodiles in it yet. Or is it alligators that's here?
Is that the... No, that's not the Destino, is it? I mean, that isn't the...
There's another...
The dig site, that's the pool.
There's a quiet pool over there as well. Oh my god. This is nice.
Amazing. We need to hurry up. Oh no, we don't.
But yeah, we've got a reservation at the restaurant of Fob. It's only 3 o'clock, so we've got plenty of time. Oh, more storage drawers over there. Yeah. Oh, this is fancy.
Nice, isn't it?
The like the plugs are in the lamp.
Oh yeah.
Which is cool. Yeah, and then we've got some regional lights. That's very bright, but yeah, lots of storage under the bed as well for like suitcase and that, but yeah, we're gonna get unpacked and go for some food. I am ready for some food. I've changed into some ears, I've changed my lanyard to the Disney one, and we are hungry, so it's time to go.
I might have some juice. This looks good.
Oh,
Dave.
duh. I like how it's just on the outside, not the inside. Oh! Look. None. Well, there's a closed door. But that's it. We're off to Magic Kingdom.
That was really fast.
That was fast.
Hello everyone, and welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Transportation System. We're on our way to the Magic Kingdom. For your safety and the safety of others, please remain seated while the motor coach is in motion.
How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Go ahead and tap your ticket right here on Mickey, and then your finger on the, oh, you're all set.
Oh,
There you go. You are good to go.
no. Oh, he is. We're in Magic Kingdom. That's where I can't see. Wow. I'm just gonna put these on. That's the money shot. That's so crap. That was stunning. Oh. Thank you. The first ride of the trip is People Mover.
I only see traveling and push it out right. Are you gonna help me or not? Are you gonna help me or not?
You want a great bed?
This is wonderful!
carefully onto the moving platform.
Really? Look. Look at that. Oh.
Is it enchanted? Enchantment? I don't know.
Oh, it's Starbucks with a cake pop. I'll let you know afterwards. So we have hopped to Disney Springs from Magic Kingdom. To do that, we went to the Contemporary, or what's Contemporary, hopped on a bus, then hopped to Disney Springs. Thoughts on Enchantment, Hannah?
It was really good.
It was really good.
Loved
I
it,
did
not
tear up.
Coronado.
Oh yes, and Coco. I did tear up a little bit.
You what? You tear a little bit. And I was biting on my cup so that I didn't cry.
But no actual tears, so bonus. We did film it. Yeah. We wanted to have a nice chill out, enjoy that one. Proper soak it up. And then we will eventually experience it. We'll show you when we go next time. I've also got my New Year's on. And we are back at the hotel. Hannah's just been for a wee. I got myself a magic band and some pins, which I can't wait to wear tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for my birthday. Yay! Goodbye. Goodbye, Hannah. Bye. Good night.